Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Mini Cooper Electric. First, make sure your vehicle is in park and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Next, firmly press the brake pedal with your right foot. You'll then locate the distinctive red Start/Stop button, usually found in the center console, ready for the next step. This sequence ensures a smooth and safe start every time you get behind the wheel. Once your foot is on the brake, press the Start/Stop button just one time. This action powers on all the vehicle's essential systems. Keep an eye on the instrument cluster. It will display various readiness indicators and any important warnings. The Mini Cooper Electric performs a quick system check, which typically takes only a few seconds, confirming everything is operational before you drive. After the system check, a clear ready indicator light will illuminate on your dashboard, signaling the vehicle is fully operational. Now, you can select your desired gear, whether it's drive to move forward or reverse to back up. Finally, release the parking brake and gently press the accelerator pedal. Your Mini Cooper Electric is now ready to glide silently on the road, offering instant torque and a fun driving experience. Before you set off, always take a moment to check your surroundings, ensuring a safe departure. It's also beneficial to familiarize yourself with regenerative braking. This feature helps recover energy and enhances efficiency. Lastly, remember to charge your Mini Cooper Electric regularly. Maintaining a consistent charging routine is crucial for optimal battery health and ensures you're always ready for your next adventure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.